me and my jammies. How you doing, everybody? This is Zeke Stoltzfus here, and I got some great video for you. So let's get right to it. Let's see what's happening right now.
Okay, let's go through some of the pictures. Here we have Copper. That's Copper the duck. Yeah, and there's Hershey the duck. How you doing, Hershey? Oh, and here we are from Winterset, Iowa. Somebody got smart. Oh, Chessie in New York City. Hi, Chessie. How you doing there? All right, let's see here. Donna in Hummelstown. We have Jared in Campbellstown. This from Lebanon, Pennsylvania. Lebanon. And over here is Downingtown. They're having a good time shoveling the snow this morning out there. Maybe it looks like they're... Oh, hi, Brian. How you doing? How's the family? Oh, you're shoveling stuff, I see. Yeah. Well, there's everybody, almost. And here, I believe this is Middletown, Pennsylvania. And the old brownstone bank is coming up right there in Middletown. And let's see, who's this? That's Nolani. Nolani and Hershey. She's bailed herself out there.
Looks like it's going to be a pretty day out there. A pretty day to shovel all that snow. And now let's have a report from one of our junior reporters in Lebanon. Now this is going to be a day of shuffling, so you old people out there, you be careful, because you slip and fall, you're going to hurt yourself. Okay? I'm going to hire somebody. I'm going on Craigslist and find somebody to shovel my snow. Hey, we'll see you later. This is Zeke, right here on Palmyra Network News.